Think of the grit it took, the late nights, the challenges, the determination to push through. Each of us persevered and found the strength to get here. For our working students, you are a testament to what's possible when passion meets perseverance. As we enter this new chapter, let us carry the lessons we have learned. No matter how far we go, may we remember where we came from and treat everyone with respect and kindness. To my fellow graduates, good luck with your examinations and endeavors. Study smart and have faith. Let us remember that you can spell success without UC. Thank you and congratulations, class of 2025.